Uranus Sideshow Museum. Is it open? Oh my god, it is open. Hello. So what's in the Sideshow Museum?
Like a bunch of crazy weird stuff.
Just like at a carnival sideshow?
Yeah.
Can I record in there?
Yeah, you take pictures and videos.
Pictures are allowed?
Pictures are allowed.
Alright, let's do it. Oh shit, I didn't even notice that shit on the ceiling. Wow, hold on. Oh, I don't know those. They're only 69 bucks. Those are pretty cool. Those are actually really fucking cool. The snake girl. Oh wow. All right, everybody, we're going into the Sideshow Museum. Let's do it. Holy shit, this place is a total like carnival sideshow fucking. Holy fuck. What the fuck? Okay, two-headed snake. That's Jesus fucking Christ. That scared the shit out of me. See, that shit is fake. Like, that's made. There's the real shit right there. But this shit right here, I believe, I mean, it's gotta be real, right? Is that a unicorn? No fucking way. Holy shit. Oh, Jesus. Two-headed bull shark. Looks like just a blob of shit. Oh my god. Two-headed goat. Ugh. Two-headed pig. Jesus fuck. Ick. Three-legged chicken. Gross. Six-legged freak pig. Circa 1958. Horned unicorn pig, one-eyed cyclops pig. Jesus fucking Christ. That thing is fake, but the Rattergator. That's fake. That's fake. Okay, well, that's the Elephant Man. I know that much. That's Sloth from the Goonies. Zip the Pinhead. No way. That's yeah. See, I believe those people have like what Beetlejuice had. Like that's Beetlejuice right there. They have Beetlejuiceism. Beetlejuice syndrome. All right. Supposedly that's Chupacabra. Oh, look, it's the broad with two heads. That's fake. I mean, there is the one. They were on Howard Stern, the broad with two heads, the sisters. They did porn. The fuck is that? Fuck this. All right, so yes, Dabble Story, and I'm doing it landscape now, jackass. Yeah, this place was wild. No shit. I just noticed that. Jesus Christ. That thing is one animal. Oh my God. Dude. I got a selfie with this bitch. Oh my God, look at that thing. Oh my God, that's so gross. Oh. Two-headed monkey. This one's messed up too. Why, yes, I did. Thank you. Recording? Yeah. Hey, producer Joe. I got you something, frog. I hope you enjoy it. All right. Well, that was Cupcake's adventure in the. Here, let's flip the camera around. How's that? In the Uranus Circus Sideshow Museum and the Uranus Fudge Factory over there. I think those places are not really anything other than, just like probably touristy shit. Oh, but there is the world's biggest belt buckle over there. This big water tower with the Route 66 shit on it. But yeah, this was what's that again? Can't get enough of Uranus. Oh, I gotta get a picture of that. Hold on. I didn't notice that the Uranus 66. I'm gonna absolutely get a picture of that. Give me a second. All right, the fun is over for Cupcake. Now we have to get back to work. Just walking by Naomi, the white whale. My big bitch right here. So, yeah, see you on the road, and yeah, listen. But we'll see you on the road, and catch you later, everybody.